Welcome back to After Hours, guys. This Cinco de Mayo, we're giving you a recipe perfect for those people that don't like hard liquors, the Michelada. So stick around and watch how to make the best Michelada ever.
Like I would say, that is the best Michelada I've had.
It definitely is.
Good job. I like that.
And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that little bell. Let's start drinking.
All right, cut. The Michelada. It's like a beer Bloody Mary.
Yeah, pretty much. It's a Bloody Mary with beer.
Yeah, pretty. I mean,
Actually,
there are variations. I know some people use the clamato, but I'm not a
Yeah.
fan of clam juice and tomatoes.
yeah, but I think, clamato is a specific drink versus a Michelada.
Well,
I could be wrong.
No, the
Am I wrong?
clamato, yes. A lot of people in their micheladas will use the clamato juice, which
Clamato juice, that's me.
is
Yeah,
the
okay.
clam and tomato
Okay.
juice. But, or you can just use regular tomato juice. There's a lot of variations, but we
Yeah.
found we like to use one of our already Bloody Mary mixes.
Mm-hmm.
Either make your own, or there's a lot of
Yeah.
good ones.
We do have a Bloody Mary mix.
We do, and that would be perfectly fine
Yeah.
if you wanted to do that.
Mm-hmm.
But also like just a good one.
A good one.
I can't think of the name of it right now.
Me either. But use your preferred one. I mean,
Yes.
there's all different kinds. So,
Mr. T's, the Zing Zang. Ha!
yeah,
I know, get it.
they're like, thanks. But we're going to go ahead and start kicking this off with 6 ounces.
But shouldn't I rim this first if I wanted it rimmed?
I am so glad that you caught me.
That's what I'm here for.
So we're going to start off with the rim. 2 rims, actually.
All right, so just
I
gonna
might as well just help you.
yeah, get it in there. We're using
Yeah.
tahini. You can use salt. I don't know,
Whatever
sugar.
you want. You could use sugar, but I wouldn't.
That would be weird.
Yeah, it would. It would be really weird.
No, I wouldn't
Put
put it past
sugar
you.
on a. That's crazy.
Hey, tomatoes have sweetness. They're a fruit.
Yeah, that's true. And I'm just gonna kind of eyeball this.
Uh-oh. Oh, and your beer of
probably good.
choice. I really do enjoy Modelo. It is a really good beer in my opinion.
Yeah, it really is. It's a nice light beer.
Yeah. But you could use Dos Equis. Just use any type of Mexican lager.
Yeah.
This bottle opener sucks.
Is it the bottle opener or is it the user?
That's probably the bottle cap.
Yeah, that's what I would say too.
And we're just gonna gotta fill it up. See?
Yeah, but it's a 1-to-1, so 6 ounces of mix, 6 ounces of beer, which is half a beer.
But you know, we got big glasses,
yeah,
so it's the fun of micheladas.
it is. I mean, come on, it's Cinco de Mayo. Are you really gonna care after 1
Yeah.
or 2?
Are we building pianos or are we making beers?
That's exactly right.
All right.
Awesome. And now we've got some soy sauce.
Oh, sorry.
We're doing 1.5 bar spoons.
All right, soy sauce. That's
Yeah.
interesting.
Isn't it?
Probably get some of that umami and that little, give it the little salty. That makes
Exactly,
sense.
exactly. And that is right, we are using a salted soy sauce.
Ah, and it's organic.
Yeah. That is important, actually.
Hey, it is. And a little Worcestershire.
Uh-huh. The same amount of Worcestershire.
We ran out of the organic one.
You know, we also don't want to waste it. Come on.
Yeah, not with food prices.
Yeah. If you can afford to waste food right now, I think you're considered upper class.
Or just rude.
Yeah. Exactly.
All right.
And then we also have a lime each
Oh.
of lime juice.
Okay.
Better get juicing, buddy.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna do about a bar spoon of our favorite little Mexican hot sauce.
Ooh,
Honestly,
Valentino.
It's hard to say that it's not our favorite.
That looks good.
Oh yeah.
Look, I'm gonna do a half a lime, half a lime.
Okay, that's fine.
That was a pretty juicy lime. The other limes we've been using today haven't been as juicy as that guy.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks delicious. What? Rimmer becomes garnish.
Yes.
It's like magic.
Look at that.
It looks amazing.
It does. And this, such an easy recipe. I mean, come on. Who
It
doesn't?
is, and it's fun. I mean, you don't have to. I mean, if you drink a ton of these, might be a little heavy on your stomach.
Might
This is
be. It would be.
This is a good way to start off your Cinco
It is. Cheers.
brunch. Oh, that is good.
It is.
That's really good.
That's nice. That's so refreshing.
And you can add a couple ice cubes if you would like.
Yeah.
So,
On a hotter summer day, you probably are gonna want some ice cubes in there. Cool you down.
man, this is cheers again. Good
Yeah.
job.
Seriously. And that tahini goes very well with this.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I have heard of people using Modelo Negro.
Yeah, that would be interesting. Very dark.
Yeah.
Well, that would be good.
Yeah.
All right, well. Oh, and it goes perfect with our elote.
That's right. So check out that video. We did that on our trendy.
Mm-hmm. Thursday night is really good stuff. I recommend it. I'm surprised it's still sitting there. I would have eaten it all, but had to make these.
Yeah, once we cut cameras, we're gonna be drinking this, eating that, and
Being responsible, right?
that's right. We're gonna stay responsible. So don't forget to drink responsibly.
I already said that.